Hello students, I am Shweta Pathak from Belur Girls High School. Today I am here to state you something about logarithm. Actually, I have already discussed logarithm in my previous video and I have already solved there uh, question up to question number 6 of your board book Gonit Prakash. And in that video I have also given you some problems which you have to done by yourself, you have to do by yourself, but here I am discussing a few of them because I think these are good problems. So in the starting of this video I am trying to give you some solutions of the problems of my previous videos. Like this problem I have given there. The problem is was log x base 3 plus log x base 9 plus log x to the base 27 is equal to 11 by 2. It is given and you have to find the value of x. Now you can write it by log x by log 3. Actually I am converting the base of this log into 10. So this is log x base 10 and this is log 3 base 10. And by the property of log you can write this. Similarly you can write this as log x by log 9 and this 9 can also be written as 3 square. Now this 27 can be written as log x by log 27, that means log 3 cube, and this is 11 by 2. Now this 2 will come forward of this log, so this is 2 log 3 and this is 3 log 3. Now this log x by log 3 you can take common of it, so I am taking common of log x by log 3 and this will give you 1 from here, half from here and 1 by 3 from here. So after LCM, doing LCM, we will get 6 as LCM and it will give you 11 by 6. Log x by log 3 into 11 by 6 is equal to nothing but 11 by 2. So what is the value of log x? This will be 11 by 2 into 6 by 11 into log 3, and this will give you 3 log 3, and you can write this as log 3 cube. So you have log x equal to log 3 cube, and by the definition of log you can also write this as x equal to 3 cube, and 3 cube is nothing but 27. So you have the value of x and it is 27. Now this problem also given in my previous video. The problem is, if log a base ab equal to 1 by 3, find the value of log square root of a by cube root of b with base av. Now we have log a base ab equal to 1 by 3, and by the definition of log you can write a is equal to nothing but ab to the power 1 by 3, and this can be written as a to the power 1 by 3 into b to the power 1 by 3. Now this a, if you divide this a by a to the power 1 by 3, you will get a to the power 1 minus 1 by 3 by using the laws of indices. Now you have here a to the power 2 by 3 and this is b to the power 1 by 3. So you have to find the value of this term, the log of this term. Now this is a to the power half and cube root of b is nothing but b to the power 1 by 3. Again b to the power 1 by 3 is nothing but a to the power 2 by 3. So I am replacing b to the power 1 by 3 here by a to the power 2 by 3, and this will give you a to the power 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3, that means a to the power 3 minus 4 by 6. Just getting LCM of this as 6. Now you will have here a to the power minus 1 by 6 and the base is here AB. Now this minus 1 by 6 will come forward of this log, so this is minus 1 by 6 log A base AB, and it is also by the rule of log. Now this log A base AB is nothing but 1 by 3 because it is given, and this is minus 1 by 6 into 1 by 3 and it will give you minus 1 by 18. So if log of A base AB is 1 by 3, The value of this term is minus 1 by 18. Now from example 3 I am just solving the problems of your board book, and I am referring here the question number. The question number is 8b. The problem was log x by b minus c equal to log y by c minus a equal to log z by a minus b is given, and you have to find the value of x to the power b. You have to prove, not find, you have to prove that x to the power b square plus bc plus c square into y to the power c square plus ac plus a square into z to the power a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 1. Just consult the book, you will find the problem here there. Now you have given this term and these three are equal, so I am taking the value of this ratio as k, and obviously it is a non-zero value. So this log x by b minus c is k, and log x will be k into b minus c. Similarly you can find log y from here and you will get k into c minus a, and this log z is nothing but k into a minus b. Now you have to find the value of this relation as 1, but these three are in product form and it has a big power. So just simplifying this, I am taking log of this term, log with base 10, and this will give you log x to the power b square plus bc plus c square plus log y to the power c square plus ac plus a square plus log z to the power a square plus ab plus b square, because the rule of log is log m n p, suppose, is equal to log m plus log n plus log p. Now this x has a power, big power, b square plus bc plus c square, and it will come forward of this log, so you will have b square plus bc plus c square into log x. Similarly plus c square plus ac plus a square into log y, and plus a square plus ab plus b square into log z. Now you have log x as this type of value, so I am putting the value of log x here as k into b minus c, and it was here b square plus bc plus c square, like this way. Here log y is k into c minus a, and it was previously here, and this will give you k into a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now see that these will give you b cube minus c cube. This is the product rule of cube. So this will give you c cube minus a cube, and this will give you a cube minus b cube. So just taking common k, we will have b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube plus a cube minus b cube, and it will give you 0. So you got k into 0 equal to 0. Now you have log of this is equal to 0, and you can express it as log 1 base 10. Now by the rule of log you can get this value as 1, and it was in your proving part, so you have proved this. Now this is question number 9 of your board book. What was the problem? Problem is here, a to the power 3 minus x into b to the power 5x is equal to a to the power 5 plus x into b to the power 3x. This has been given there. Prove that x log b by a is equal to log a. So in the given part there is no log, so it is clear that you have to take log. But before taking log, we just simplify it as dividing b to the power 5x by b to the power 3x and a to the power 5x by a to the power 3 minus x, and use here the laws of indices. So you will have b to the power 5x minus 3x, and here a to the power 5 plus x minus of this, so this will give you minus 3 plus x. Now after calculating you will have b to the power 2x, and here a to the power 2 plus 2x. Now I am just using the laws of indices once again. I will have a square into a to the power 2x from here, and just dividing b to the power 2x by a to the power 2x, I am getting that s, b to the power 2x by to the power 2x is nothing but a square. Now I am taking log of both sides, obviously with respect to 10. So it will give you log of, this can be also be expressed as b by a power 2x, and this is log a square. Now this 2x will come forward and it will give you 2x into log b by a, and this is 2 into log a. Now cancel 2 from both sides and you will have x into log b by a is equal to log a, and you have to prove this, so we have proved here. Now this is example number 5. I have discussed here the question number 10a. The problem is here, solve log base 8 over log base 2 over log base 3 of 4 to the power x plus 17, and this is given here 1 by 3. Now you have to find the value of x. Now just use the definition of log. What was the definition of log? Log m base a is equal to x will give you m equal to a to the power x. I am using this relation 3 times. Look here, I am just using this relation, and this is my m and this is log base a and this is x. So I am getting here log base 2 in log base 3 into 4 to the power x plus 17 is equal to 8 to the power 1 by 3. Just using this relation I am getting here 8 to the power 1 by 3, and this 8 is nothing but 2 cube, so it will give you only 2. Now here I am also using this definition again, and I am getting here log base 3 4 to the power x plus 17 is nothing but this 2 to the power 2, that means 4. And now again using that same definition of log, you will have 4 to the power x plus 17 is equal to 3 to the power 4, and 3 to the power 4 means 81. So you will have here 4 to the power x equal to 81 minus 17, that is 64, and 64 is nothing but 4 cube. So 4 to the power x is nothing but 4 cube, and by the definition of indices or laws of indices, you will have x is equal to 3. So the answer is x equal to 3. Here example 6, I am discussing here question number 11. The problem is here, show that 1 by 4 is less than log 2 base 10 is less than 1 by 3. This type of to solve this type of problem, you will have to start from a relation which is known to you but it is effective for this problem. Just I am back calculating. I have 2 cube and 2 to the power 4 here. Okay. Now 2 cube is nothing but 8 and 2 to the power 4 is nothing but 16. And we all know that 8 is very much less than 10 and 10 is also less than 16. Now I am just writing 8 here as 2 cube and 16 here as 2 to the power 4, and I am taking log of this 3 part with base 10. So I am getting here log 2 cube base 10, which is also less than log 10 base 10, and which is also less than log 2 to the power 4 base 10. Now this will give you 3 log 2, and this is 1 and this is 4 log 2. Now from this inequality you will have 3 log 2 less than 1 implied log 2 base 10 is nothing but 1 by 3. Actually 3 is a positive value, so you can divide both sides by 3 and the inequality will be unchanged. So I am getting here log 2 base 10 is nothing but less than 1 by 3. Similarly this 1 is less than 4 log 2 base 10. That means this 4 log 2 base 10 is greater than 1. So I am writing this in this form. 4 log 2 base 10 is nothing greater than 1. Now 4 is a positive number. So if you divide by 4 both sides, the inequality will be unchanged. So you will have log 2 base 10 is not greater than 1 by 4. Now just combining 1 and 2, you will have 1 by 4 is less than log 2 base 10. Log 2 base 10 is greater than 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is less than log 2 base 10. So I am writing this in this form: 1 by 4 is less than log 2 base 10, and here log 2 base 10 is less than 1 by 3, and this is your proved relation. You have to prove this, and we are proving this in this form. Okay. Now, in example 7, I have discussed question number 12, and 3 problems are here. Question number 12 2, 12 3, and 12 5. What is in 12 2? If log 7x minus 5 base 10 is equal to 2, find the value of x. Actually, it is a multiple choice question, but I am giving you the right answer, and so you will have the option of the problem. Now, just I am using, when you will find this type of problem, just simply use the definition of log, because it will open up this 7x minus 5 will be open up from log, and it will be free from log, and you can calculate it by yourself. So just using this type, this definition log m base a is equal to x will imply m equal to a to the power x. This is the definition of log, and it is vice versa. That means if you find somewhere m equal to a to the power x, you can write it as m base a log equal to x. Okay. Now we are using that relation, that means log m base a equal to x imply m equal to a to the power x. Now a to the power x is here 100. So 7x equal to 105. Now x is equal to 15. So your option will be C here. Question number 12 of 3. The problem is here log 3 base 2 is equal to a. You have to find log 27 base 8, and this is also a multiple choice question. Now you can write this as log 27 by log 8. Now log 27 can be expressed as log 3 cube, and log 8 can be expressed as log 2 cube. But these 3 will come forward, and it will give you 3 log 3, and this will give you also 3 log 2. Now these 3 and 3 cancel each other, and you will have log 3 base 2, and here log 3 base 2 is given as a. So the value of this relation is nothing but a, and this is option number D. Now 12.5 is here given that log 1 by 3 base x is equal to minus 1 by 3. You have to find the value of x. So I am also here I am also using the definition of log, and I am getting here that x to the power minus 1 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 3, and x to the power minus 1 by 3 can also be written as 1 by x to the power 1 by 3 by using the laws of indices, and this is 1 by 3. So just reciprocate both sides, and you will have x to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 3. So your x is 3 cube. That means cubing both sides, you will find here x, and it will give you 3 cube. So 3 cube is 27. So your answer is 27, and it is in option A. Here I am discussing question number 13. It's 3 and 4. Question number 13.3 is here. Prove that a to the power log x base a is equal to x. Actually this is in your rule of log. Okay. Actually it comes from the definition of log. Let I am assuming that this value is p. Let p is equal to a to the power log x base a. This is in base of a. Taking log of both sides with respect to base a, not 10. I am taking log of both sides with respect to base a. Previously I have already taken log different time, but always I am taking log as base 10. Here in this problem I am taking log, that means it is base 10. But when I am using different base, I have to write it clearly. Taking log of both sides with respect to base a, we will have log p base a is equal to log of this term a to the power log x base a with base a. Now this is log p base a, but this term will come forward of this log, so it will have log x base a equal to log a base a. Actually to separate it from the, that means it is in index form, huh? It is in power. So to identify it properly, I am using here different color. So this is in power, and the power will come forward of this log. So we will have log x base a into log a base a, and this is 1. So you will have finally log p base a is equal to log x base a, and from the definition of log you can, or rule of log, you can have p equal to x. But what is your p? P is nothing but this relation, that means a to the power log x base a is nothing but your x, and you have to prove this. So I am writing here proved. What is in question number 13 of 4? This is here, find x for the relation. The relation is given here as log 2 base e into log 25 base x equal to log 16 base 10 into log 10 base e. This is given relation, in you have to calculate from here x, the value of x. Now I am writing this as log 2 by log e, that means I am separating this term with respect to base 10, and it is log 5 square, and by log x it can also be written as log 2 to the power 4, that means 16 is 2 to the power 4, and this is by log 10 into log 10 by log e. Just cancel out this log e, and cancel out this log 10 by this log 10. You will have only log 2 here, and it will give you 2 log 5, and this is by log x, this is 4 log 2. But you have to find only log x, so keeping here log x, you will have log 2 here. Log x is equal to log 2 by 4 log 2 into 2 log 5. This log 2 will cancel each other, and this 2 and 4 will give you half of log 5. Now you have log x equal to here log 5 to the power half. This can also be expressed as log 5 to the power half, and this is log root 5. So you will have x equal to root 5. So this relation will give you x equal to root 5, and this is your answer. I am discussing here a problem which is given in your example, where the examples are given. This problem has been given there, but it is unsolved there. So but it is a good problem, so I am solving this for you. What is the problem? If x is equal to log bc base a, y is equal to log ca base b, and z is equal to log ab base c, you have to prove this. What is x plus y plus z is nothing but xyz minus 2. Now to solve this, you have to start the problem from here. That means the given part. Your x is log bc by log a, and you can find x plus 1 as log bc plus log a by log a. That means after LCM, after x adding 1 in both sides, you will have this, and this will give you log abc, and this is by log a. So x plus 1 is log abc by log a. Now if you reciprocate both sides, you will have 1 by x plus 1 is equal to log a by log abc. Similarly, the y is given here, this I am also writing from y plus 1. I am just calculating from y plus 1, and it will give you log abc by log b, and 1 by y plus 1 is again log b by log abc. Similarly, just repeating this process, you will have 1 by z plus 1 is equal to log c by log abc. Now just add these three terms, 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 plus 1 by z plus 1, and this is equal to log a by log abc plus log b by log abc plus log c by log abc. Here log abc is in the LCM part, and it will give you log a plus log b plus log c, and this will give you by the rule of log abc. And in the, this is in the right hand side of the equation, and in the left hand side of the equation, after uh, having LCM here, x plus 1 into y plus 1, you will have y plus 1 plus x plus 1, and just keep this aside, plus 1 by z plus 1. Now adding these 4 terms, you will have y plus x plus 2, and producting these two factor, you will have xy plus y plus ax plus 1. Now this will give you 1. In the next step, just take this 1 by z plus 1 in the right hand side of the equation, and you will have 1 minus 1 by z plus 1. After completing LCM, you will have z plus 1 minus 1 by z plus 1. This will give you only z by z plus 1. So you have y plus x plus 2 by xy plus y plus x plus 1 is equal to z by z plus 1. Now cross multiply them, and you will have z plus 1 into y plus x plus 2 equal to z into xy plus y plus x plus 1. Now open these two brackets by multiplying. You will have here these terms, and just producting this factor with z, you will have these terms. Now see that here yz and here also yz, and they are in two sides of equality, and this is xz and this is x, so cancel them, and finally you will have y plus x plus 2 plus 2z here, and here plus z. Now and here xyz also will be there. Now just take this z in the left hand side of the equation, you will have x plus y plus 2z minus z, and take these two in the right hand side of the expression, because you have to get this type of terms in your right hand side of the equation. Now you will have xyz minus 2 in your right hand side, and here after calculating 2z minus z, you will have x plus y plus z in the left hand side of the equation, and you have to prove this x plus y plus z equal to xyz minus 2, and finally you have this term. So you have just completed the proof. So I have written here proved. Now this is a very good problem. The problem is simple, but the criticality of the problem is to in its expression. So what is the problem? Evaluate 1 by root 27 and a square of it minus log 13 base 5 by 2 log 9 base 5, and over second bracket the power is half. To evaluate this term, you have to evaluate this term. Now I am just expressing 27 as 3 cube here, and just taking these 2 in the power of 9. So here log 9 square base 5, and just expressing this in this form. Now you will have here 1 by 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 2 minus log 13 base 5 into log by log 3 to the power 4. 9 is 3 square again, so 3 to the power 4 base 5. Now what I have done here, just writing this 1 by 3 to the power 3 by 2 as 3 to the power minus 3 by 2, and just operating this 2, I am getting here 3 to the power minus 3 by 2 into 2, and I can also write this as into 3 to the power minus 3 by 2 into this log term. Okay, now this log term will give you also 4 log 3 base 5 in the denominator, and numerator will have 13 base 5, and these 2 will give you log 13 base 3. So I am just uh, simplifying this relation by taking 4 out of this log, and log 13 base 5 by log 3 base 5 as expressing it as log 13 base 3. So it will give you ultimately in 3 to the power minus 3 by 2 into minus, for this minus 1 by 4 log 13 base 3, and the whole power is raised to the power half. Now open this bracket, second bracket, and operate. No, I am not opening this here, just calculating here. I have 3 to the power minus 3, and after calculating this you will have 3 to the power 3 by 8, 3 by 8, and this 3 by 8 can be taken in the power of 13. So I am just writing here as log 13 to the power 3 by 8 base 3, uh, just expressing this as this form. Okay. Now you will have a power of half. After using this power of half, you will have 3 to the power minus 3 by 2 into log 13 to the power 3 by 8 base 3 to the power half. Okay. No, this will log 13 to the power 3 by 8 base 3, and this is 3 to the power, so it will give you only this value 13 to the power 3 by 8, and after operating this you will have 13 to the power 3 by 8 to the power half. Now this, that means this relation has also proved here in the previous example. I have proved here a to the power log x base a is equal to x. I am just using this relation here. See that I am using this relation. A to the power log x base a will give you x. Okay. So 3 to the power log this x base 3 will give you this x. So that means 13 to the power 3 by 8. And this half is coming from here. So finally you have 3 to the power minus 3 by 2 into 13 to the power 3 by 16. So finally the value of this relation is here this. Now I am giving you some problem. Please do by yourself, and I think you will be able to solve these type of problems. The first problem is prove that 1 by log ABC base root BC plus 1 by log ABC base root A plus 1 by log ABC base root AB equal to 1. And the second problem is if log x base 5 equal to y, then prove that 5 to the power 5 by 5y equal to x to the power 5. Third problem is if log of base 2 of log x base 8 is equal to log of base 8 of log x base 2, then prove that log x base 2 squared is nothing but 3 root 3. And this is a problem to solve. Log root over x square plus x plus 5 base 5 is equal to 0, and the answer will be x equal to 4. This is another problem. If log x plus y is equal to log 2 plus half log x plus half log y, then find the relation between x and y, and the answer will be x is equal to y. Number 6 is here. If 3 to the power log root x base root 3 is plus 9 to the power log x base 3 is equal to 2, then find the value of x, and it will be 1. Number 7 is here. Let p equal to log of log 3 base 5 base 5. This has been given. Now, if 3 to the power c plus 5 to the power minus p, if 3 to the power c plus 5 to the power minus p equal to 45, then find the value of c, and the c will be 2. What is the number 8? If a, b, c are positive real numbers other than unity, then such that a into b plus c minus a by log a equal to b into c plus a minus b by log b is equal to c into a plus b minus c by log c, then prove that a to the power b into b to the power a is equal to b to the power c into c to the power b equal to c to the power a into a to the power c. Just try to solve them. Okay. Best of luck.